opportunity we are getting here because WeSchool Welingkar is organizing this unique workshop where we'll be learning the transformation by fundamental change and how to bring it back. Those principles will be discussing together so that everybody will experience how they can do a step change in their career, in their future, in their organization. Let's go through and enjoy the journey.
Process Reengineering, and we got to learn a lot of things regarding what processes are, how should we go about it, why constant change is required in processes, and why there's need of reengineering. We learned a lot, we conducted activities, there was various questions back and forth, and we were very well taken care of regarding snacks and everything. Overall, we had a good experience. Our Ashok sir imparted a great knowledge about re-engineerings and everything, his learnings over the decades and his experience throughout the years handling different people, different level of peoples and everything. Quite satisfied with it, and I highly recommend people to come to this session, have a look, learn something, and grow more. Thank you.